My Tesla Model Y is still being fixed, and I'm going to tell you everything that's going on so far. I haven't checked in with you guys in a little bit about the Tesla. So today, this is what that video is all about. But before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And once we reach 7,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $100. We are 200 subscribers away, maybe a little less than that. So please help a brother out and make sure you guys look for the keyword in the video today, because I will be giving away one of my cool sneaker holders to one of you guys that gives the keyword of the video. All right. So these are little sneaker holders that I make by hand out of cement. And this one I turned into a little candle. See? So we're going to leave this candle running as I talk to you guys today. But yeah, stay tuned for the keyword on that. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, guys, so first things first, if you guys don't know, someone hit the Tesla Model Y. I just got it. I only had it for about a month, and someone rear-ended me, all right? Now, I did occur some slight injuries, nothing too crazy, because I did get rear-ended pretty hard. I do have a video on pretty much what happened with that. Like I said, I did occur a couple of little injuries that I'm going through therapy for, just to make sure that everything is okay. But other than that, I'm somewhat all right. But the process of that, now, if you guys don't know, I do have the Tesla insurance, and I will make a video separately on the Tesla insurance, just breaking down how all that stuff works. But I do have Tesla's insurance, but I didn't have to use that this time. So I was able to use the person that hits me's insurance to do my claim. And it was a pretty expensive fix. Okay. So if you guys can see here, you will see that my trunk was tore up. All right. Now, not too bad. His damage was pretty bad, way worse than mine. So I can't be too mad about that. But I have been without my car for about 2 weeks, I want to say, maybe going on 3 weeks, almost close to a month. So a little annoying, but I can't complain because everybody was safe and everybody's okay. Also, I was able to get a rental car. Okay. Funny enough, the rental car is the same car that I had before I bought the Tesla, which is a Nissan Sentra, just a newer version. So what are the chances of that? But anyway, I'm going to be breaking down the cost of everything and what I had to do based on my situation, and just kind of give you guys ideas on what you should do in case you are ever in a situation like me and you need to get your car fixed for the time being. All right. So first things first, the keyword. The keyword is 2025. The first person to comment 2025 in the comment box down below. You must also follow me on Instagram, which my Instagram is Skoofee. That's SKOOFEE. You must follow me there. Send me a message telling me, hey, I commented the keyword. I'm the first person to leave the comment. Pick me, whatever you say. Just let me know who you are so I can send you your free sneaker holder. Okay, these are sneaker holders, really cool. I do hand paint these, but I won't send you a hand painting. I'm going to send you it plain so you can paint it yourself, and you know, you can do that work. All right, if you want me to paint it, it does cost, so sorry, but it costs. But otherwise, I'll give you one of these for free that you can paint yourself. All right, that being said, so how everything went down was, I was originally going to get it done through Tesla's service center, but because where I live, the closest one is like 40 minutes away. They're not a collision repair center, I guess, so they wouldn't be able to fix something like that. So for me, if I wanted to go through Tesla to have them fix it, I would have had to have driven, like, I think it's like an hour and a half, maybe close to 2 hours away, just to have the bodywork fixed on the car. And then the closest appointment for me was like, it was far out. So I was like, no, I want it done as soon as possible. So what I did, and if you guys don't know, what you can do is you can go to Tesla's website and you can search up like certified repair shops in your area. So there may not, it might not be like a actual Tesla shop, but they are certified to fix Teslas. Because if you guys don't know, not every mechanic or not every shop can fix your Tesla. So you have to go to a certified Tesla shop. that can repair stuff like that. All right. So that's what I did. I looked up on Tesla's website to see what was the nearest one, and I found one 40 minutes away from me. The same place as where my Tesla service center is the same place where the third-party body shop is as well. So it all worked out pretty good, and I'm honestly blessed that it was just close enough to me that I can make that happen. So hopefully you guys are in a different situation than me. Hopefully you have one closer to you. But if you don't, it is a little hassle to get your car repaired. All right. Now, a couple things that I've run into during this process. My car was supposed to be ready on the 27th. Today's the 20. No, my car was supposed to be ready today, the 27th, and it's still not done. I don't think they received the part. They did message me. They have been really good with communicating with me and letting me know the process of everything. And they told me that they haven't received the part yet, so it wouldn't be done till next Friday, which is January 3rd. So I'm praying that I can get my car back because I have so much content that I need to create around the Tesla for you guys, all my Tesla fans out there. And I just want to bring you guys the content, but it's kind of hard to do that without having my car. All right. So if you're wondering why I haven't been posting as much, that's kind of why, because I don't have my car still. I was hoping I got it back today so I can make some more videos for you guys, show you guys some new accessories we picked up, some sponsors, etc. Blah, blah, blah. All right. So still waiting to get that back. Hopefully it is completely done and I can pick my baby up next Friday. All right. 2025, we're going to have a different mindset on how we do things. I want to say, first off, thank you guys for following me through this journey. All 2024 has been pretty crazy, but also make sure to invest your money, invest in money in stocks, crypto. Crypto has actually been going pretty crazy. I'm not a heavy invest in crypto person. I would say put like your fund money in there, but definitely invest in stocks. Just don't do options unless you know what you're doing. Just put money into companies where you spend your money the most. So if you have a Tesla, put money in a Tesla. If you have an iPhone, put money in Apple. If you watch Netflix, put money in Netflix. If you shop on Amazon, put money in Amazon. If you go to Walmart, put money in Walmart. If you shop at, or if you go to McDonald's all the time, put money in McDonald's. That's how you should be investing your money. That's what personally I think will make you have a bigger success with just having more for your money, because putting your money in a savings account, it just doesn't do anything. So just to give you guys an example, Tesla, when I started putting money into it, it was at like 140 a share last year, beginning of last year, and now it's up to $450 a share. So yeah, if you would have put your money and just loaded all your money in there and held it all year, you'd be so up. All right. So invest your money 2025. Please do that. I'm telling you, it's the best thing to do. So pick up some side gigs, a couple side gigs that I'm probably going to be doing. If you guys haven't seen already, I do Amazon Flex. So I will continue to do that. And then also just finding other things I can do to make more money to pay toward the Tesla, because I want to try to get it paid off as soon as possible. All right. So I will be doing any little side gigs I can do, whether it's doing courier jobs or like dropping packages off for different companies, and if it's doing spark driving for Walmart. I'm going to be doing any and everything I can to just add more extra money to what I have going on. I'm also going to be selling items on eBay, any and everything, selling on Facebook. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that stuff and how easy it is to get rid of stuff, because I got a lot of stuff in my house that I probably need to get rid of because I don't do anything with it. I have a crazy shoe collection. I don't get to wear all my shoes, so I'm definitely going to get rid of a lot of the stuff that I have. I might even throw you guys some alley-oops on here if you really want it, but other than that, mainly selling it on eBay or Facebook just so I can get it off and get it moving and put that money towards my car and just my investments, because 2025, we got to have a different mindset. I know I kind of went off subject a little bit, but I kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit more to this video than just talking about my Tesla. All right. So that being said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, and don't forget to turn the notification bell. Also, we are so close to that 7,000 subscribers. I want to get there by my birthday, March 21st this year. So let's get there, or I should say 2025. So help me out. Let's get to that 7,000 subscribers. I think we're going to hit it in January because I'm going to stay consistent with giving you guys content and everything like that. So I appreciate you guys so much. I know I kind of went off the road and off to different subjects in this video, but I kind of just wanted to give you guys any and everything about what I have going on going forward in 2025. All right. The next time you will see the Tesla video that I make, it will be with my car, and hopefully we have it back next Friday, which is January 3rd. All right. Scoofy here. Invite your friends and family, and I'm out.